Okay, the basic cellular systems and cellular concepts. Cellular systems and the cellular concepts. This concept, this topic is deals with the mobile communication and introduction about the cellular and mobile communication, the history and the evolution of the cellular communication. Right? They are going to discuss in this topic. Coming to the history of the previous communication techniques. In 1940, the walkie-talkie was used by the military. In 1940, that means in Second World War. Initially in Second World War, then walkie-talkie was used initially. And later in 1947, transistor was invented. And later on, in 1979, the commercial cellular phone system was introduced in Finland. Right? See the basic history regarding cellular communication and also the radio communication. Also coming to the present cellular systems and also the early cellular system. Here, the early mobile radio system was drawn here. The major difference is in the early mobile radio systems, so only the high power transmitter antennas. The high transmitter antennas are used for a particular cell area. For a particular coverage area. Here is the high power transmitter antenna was installed here. This area covered the large area here. This antenna covered a large area here. Coming to the cellular system. Coming to the cellular system, there are low power transmitter antennas are used here. These are called base stations. For same coverage area. For the same coverage area, we are using here the low power transmitter antennas. These are used to effective communication. For effective communication, this is low power antennas are covered a small area. Coming to the technology, evolution of cellular technologies, like from 1G to now we are using 4G. How it was evolved and what are the techniques used for generations. Right? In one day, first generation, we are using the bandwidth, less bandwidth, which is 2 kbps. Right? There we are using the cellular technology in 1G. Only this cellular technology is only for the telephone, mobile, that is only for voice communication. We are using the first generation cellular technology. And then here the FBM wave technique and frequency storage and multiplexing is used. And also the PSTN means public switching telephone network. This is the core network for first generation cellular technology we are using. That coming to second generation. Second generation there is 2G and 2.5G. 2.5G nothing but intake now. Second generation. Here the bandwidth is increased from 2 kbps to 14 to 64 kbps. In 2G we are using digital technology. Digital technology, the services provided by the 2G is apart from voice communication, we are using the SMS service, short message services also provided in second generation. Right? The second generation also the core network and handoff. Handoff is usually horizontal handoff. Right? What is the handoff? Handoff is nothing but transition of signal from one cell to other cell while the mobile is moving from mobile is moving between two cells. Right? This is nothing but handoff. And coming to 3G, that is coming to third generation, the bandwidth is very high compared to the second generation, which is 1 Mbps. 2 Mbps. They are using circuit technology. In third generation, they are using the bandwidth and CMA technology for high bandwidth. The services provided in 3G are high quality. Audio and video calling is also available here, and also the data. Here the multiplexing is CDMA multiplexing. Here we are using packet networking. Packet network is used as core network for 3G. Coming to fourth generation, it is the bandwidth is very high 4G. Here the bandwidth is around 200 Mbps. And the services provided in 4G are far more better than 3G. In the core network is internet. Multiplexing usually is CDMA multiplexing. Next one is the fifth generation. Most of them are similar to the 4G, but the bandwidth, majorly the bandwidth is 1 Gbps. 1 Gbps bandwidth is used in fifth generation. right? And coming to this, the basic element in the cellular and mobile communication is a cell. We have know that a cell is a small particle, but with reference to the cellular communication, a cell is nothing but a geographical unit of a cellular network. That means the cell covers a particular geographical area around an antenna. Around an antenna, for this antenna, a specific frequency range is used. We call it as channels or bandwidth, right? Here the basic geographical unit is a cell, and graphically we are representing this cell as a hexagonal shape. But in practical, cell has an irregular shape. In practical, the cell has an irregular shape. Coming to cell, a group of cells is called a cluster. The group of cells are called a cluster. Total number of cells are depends from 4 to one number of cells. This was mainly used in frequency release concept, where we are using a particular set of frequencies for each cell in the cluster. But outside of this cluster, we are reusing the same frequency by maintaining a minimum distance. Right? The important concept is the cellular network components. That means how the cellular network works. It shows on this. The SIM card or mobile device, right? Both these are called as a mobile station, MS, which is connected to the BTS, that means the base station. Each cell has a base station. Base station nothing but an antenna, which is a full power antenna. All these antennas are controlled by base station controller BSC, right? For a particular area, certain number of base stations are controlled by base station controller, and all these base station controllers are connected to MS, which is mobile switching center. And also in mobile switching center, there are different units for a particular functionality like VLR, HLR, EUC and EAR, right? The functionality of each unit will be discussed in this. Coming to BTS is nothing but the base transceiver station. The base transceiver station is a main component of a cell. That means this is the important component in a cellular network because it has to receive the signal from the subscriber or sender mobile unit to the receiver mobile unit through this base transceiver station. The moment comparison, it connects the subscribers to the cellular network. Subscribers are nothing but mobile units for transmission and the reception of information. Right? Coming to base station controller, the base station controller is it connects by cable or microwave links. This base station controller connects the base stations by using or link to the base stations by using a cable or microwave links. And also between the base stations, it connects the different calls between different base stations also. The base station controller is also connected to the MSC. MSC nothing but the mobile switching center, right? Mobile switching center is the main coordinator of the cellular network. This mobile switching center is connected to this mobile switching center is connected to several base station controllers. That means base station controllers are connected by the mobile switching center. And this mobile switching center routes the calls between different base station controllers. And also this mobile switching center connects with the other networks also. And also like public switching telephone network are also connected to mobile switching center. The mobile switching center is very important unit. This mobile switching center maintains a database. Just different registers are there like HLR, VLR, and DAR. HLR is nothing but the home location register, whereas VLR is nothing but visitor location register, and also EAR is nothing but the equipment identity register, EAR, right? Where HLR is nothing but the home location register is a database which is maintained by the service provider. Service provider is nothing but Airtel, Jio, Idea, like this. These are called the service providers. In the database, the permanent data about each subscriber. That means the location, the activity status, whether the subscriber is inactive or inactive, and the call forwarding preference, call identification preference, like this. All the data regarding the subscriber is maintained in the HLR. Coming to VLR, which is Visitor Location Register. This Visitor Location Register, which is also a database which stores the temporary data of a subscriber. Temporary data of a subscriber, which is stored in the MSC of the area of each area. That means the subscribers in the particular MSC is maintained by that MSC. Where the subscriber moves from one area to other area, the MSC also changes. There are particular MSCs for different regions. Then the new MSC requests this VLR, Virtual Location Register, from the old MSC. Right? That's why it is a temporary database. Whereas home location register Cellular is a permanent database. And whereas equipment identity register, in equipment identity register, equipment is nothing but the mobile phone here. It means the mobile identity register is here, like the IMEI number in your particular MSC is maintained by the equipment register, equipment identity register here, right? Now the components, the major components of a cellular phone. One of them is radio transceiver, printed the transmitter and receiver. It is used to transmit and receive the information or signals. And the other one is the antenna, which is located inside that one. The antenna size is very small. The communication mainly held between the mobile unit antenna and the base station antenna for transfer of information, right? And control circuit. This control circuit is used to send the data to and from the BTS, which is the base station. Another one is the keypad, man machine interface. That's nothing but a keypad. It is used to keypad a display, which is used to control different options on the mobile phone. We are aware of the SIM, right? This is about the basic cellular system, the components in basic cellular network, and also evaluation of cellular technology from 1G to 5G. regarding the important cellular concept. One is the handoff or handover. Handover is nothing but moving an ongoing call from one cell to another cell due to subscriber mobility without interrupting the call. Without interrupting the call, an ongoing call is moving from one cell to other cell, which is called an handover or handoff. Right? And also different multiple access techniques like PDMS, VDM, and FDMA which are used to provide the efficient communication between the subscribers. Coming to TDMA nothing but time division multiple access. This TDMA shares allows more number of users to share the same frequency. That means all the frequency which is allocated for a particular channel is used by the all subscribers for a allocated time slots only. Right? This the user has to wait for his time slot for using the channels. The other one is the CDMA. So the code diagram multiplexer. That means each subscriber is allocated a particular code. By using this code, you can use the for a particular frequencies of the channel for a communication. One is FDMA. FDMA nothing but the frequency division multiplexes. That means the frequency band is divided the number of subbands in which each band is used by one user. Each band is used by one user. This is called FDMA.